Hi my friend, thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Erkan Suçular, CEO and founder of International DevOps Academy. So basically, as you may have noticed, since some weeks we've been preparing these great videos for you and we keep on receiving very stunning and very encouraging feedback. So we decided to continue these videos and today I prepared a great new lesson for you. Let's get started for it. And in the end of watching this video, just for watching this today, I will give you a great offer that you will love it. And now let's get started with our lesson. So first of all, I'm going to a little bit smaller my video, make it smaller. Okay. So today's subject is basically what are the roles in your DevOps organization. So before I deep dive, I want to briefly share with you why we decided to make such a lesson. So as you know, International DevOps Academy does not only provide training, but also we provide certification services. And most of our students and community members asked us a simple question: what kind of certification would best fit for my own career goals and interests? And to be able to answer this question in great detail, we decided to make a big breakdown of the roles and duties of each and every single DevOps team member based on the roles and responsibilities. And therefore, this lesson will give you an idea what kind of roles and duties belong to what DevOps role, and in the end, this information will hopefully help you to navigate in your career and you decide the best DevOps certification for your own DevOps dream and your ideas and mission in your own organization and in your own career. Without further ado, let's get started. The first role I would like to cover is the DevOps Generalist, and let's get started with it. The main role of a DevOps Generalist is to ensure smooth establishment, efficient and healthy progress, and continuous improvement of DevOps practices in a DevOps organization and in its DevOps teams. Therefore, competence and perspective of every single employee in a DevOps organization to be able to act with DevOps teams is a fundamental factor which determines the success level and lifetime of DevOps organizations. Whether you are part of a DevOps organization or you just collaborate and work together with other DevOps teams, it's profoundly important for you to have a clear understanding about what and how makes DevOps methodology far more successful, efficient, and delightful to work with than other software development and delivery methodologies. Therefore, regardless you are an IT, software and technology practitioner, leader or manager or not, every professional at this current digitalization age are highly recommended to be a DevOps Generalist. And the second role I would like to cover is the DevOps Executive role. The DevOps Executives are responsible for successful utilization and application of DevOps know-how within their organizations. They are key players for DevOps teams to enable cultural shift of doing and thinking in DevOps way. They have proven ability to constructively influence teams and management to get things done. DevOps executives support the alignment of DevOps teams with business strategies, and they are responsible for identification, selection, scoping, prioritization, and ultimately managing the penetration of DevOps into their organizations. DevOps executives select key members of their DevOps organizations, and they ensure all DevOps professionals have been adequately trained, tasked, and deployed to DevOps projects which best fit to their skill and experience levels. They work hard to coach and mentor DevOps teams, support resource planning, and they remove issues and obstacles to make the entire DevOps organization successful. DevOps executives report to executive management in terms of preset DevOps business mission objectives and identified business throughput metrics. They promote best practice solutions, achieved improvements, success stories, and leverage them towards their entire DevOps organization. They work very closely with all DevOps teams, but with particular emphasis on DevOps project managers, DevOps product owners, DevOps release managers, DevOps trainers, and DevOps coaches, due to their particular organizational mission they strive to accomplish. And the next DevOps role I would like to cover is DevOps project manager. It's a great role. So DevOps project manager is the person responsible for accomplishing the stated project objectives. Key DevOps project manager responsibilities include creating clear and attainable project objectives, building the project requirements, and managing the constraints of the project management triangle, which are cost, schedule, scope, and quality. DevOps project manager is often a client representative and has to determine and implement the exact needs of the client based on knowledge of the firm he is representing. DevOps project manager is bridging gap between development delivery team and client. Therefore, DevOps project manager has a fair knowledge of the industry he is in, so that he is capable of understanding and discussing the problems with the delivery team and client. The ability to adapt to the various internal procedures of contracting party and to form close links with the nominated representatives is essential in ensuring that the key issues related to cost, schedule, scope, and quality can be effectively resolved, and above all, client satisfaction can be realized. The term and title DevOps Project Manager describes the person who is given the responsibility to complete a project. DevOps Project Manager is the person with full responsibility and has the required level of accountability and authority to deliver the desired mission objectives within project budget, on time, and with the highest possible quality attributes. The next DevOps role I would like to cover is DevOps Product Owner, and let's get started with it. So DevOps Product Owner role is a very unique and broad role in DevOps, which combines all of challenging aspects of traditional project manager and product manager roles. Moreover, DevOps Product Owner represents the customer point of view in a DevOps team by ensuring that the right work is done at the right time. It needs to be tightly integrated with the overall DevOps software development and delivery teams and processes to ensure maximum added value for each and every product release. DevOps product owners have a number of key responsibilities. Some of them are managing the DevOps product backlog, support creations of product release roadmaps and release plans, identify product dependencies and appropriate prioritization driven by organizational mission, stakeholder management and communication. Whether you act as a DevOps product owner or not in your DevOps team, as long as you are directly working with your customers, it's fundamentally important for you to comprehend the role of DevOps product owner in order to be utmost helpful for your customers and to create maximum added value for them. The next role in your DevOps team will be DevOps Architect, and let's get started to explain what DevOps Architect is and what they are supposed to do. A DevOps Architect owns architecture, design and development of product deployment tools and processes. In this role, the DevOps Architect is expected to architect and develop innovative solutions to build and maintain product architecture, its related tools and processes for continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline. DevOps architects are in charge of defining loosely coupled set of services whose consumers are minimally impacted by changes to the service or their environments. Some coupling is obviously inevitable since the consumer has to make use of the service, but DevOps architects minimize these dependencies by means of separation of interface and implementation, versioning policies, runtime contracts, platform independence, and location transparency. DevOps architects become extremely critical for the success of DevOps organizations and teams. On the top of building an optimal loosely coupled architecture for products and services, DevOps organizations must possess an extremely reliable environment that is fully automated and free from obstacles. With waterfall, everybody to drive 4x4 cars to drive off-road on tough terrain. The DevOps architect role is tasked with building the highway, so the rest of us, like myself and yourself, can use faster cars. DevOps developer. As a DevOps developer, you transform the business goals of your customers into software solutions and systems. The main difference between an ordinary developer and the DevOps developer is that as a DevOps developer, during the full course of your work, you are conscious of the business goals and business demands of your customers. You are fully aware of why your employer has hired you and what your customers need and expect from you. Moreover, as a DevOps developer, you are the trusted technology partner of your customers. They give your employers and customers the full confidence and every reason to keep you on board. You are the one person who connects business goals and business requirements to software designs and lines of runnable software code. You are no longer a sole designer or programmer. You own the end-to-end engineering lifecycle of your entire software, from its requirements analysis, architectural vision, and test automation, until its user experience, extensions, operations, maintenance, and end of life. As a DevOps developer, you are in charge of deploying running software solutions in small and frequent iterations. You excel and ensure the continuous delivery of your designs and software to your clients to create rapid and uninterrupted value for their and your businesses. You always remember that your mission is to have happy customers while building software that you and your customers love. You are a passionate developer and a dedicated DevOps engineering practitioner to build efficient, world-class, and high-quality systems. It's highly recommended to be a DevOps developer. DevOps Operations Engineer is the next role that I want to cover with you, ladies and gentlemen. So let's get started. DevOps Operations Engineers are responsible for monitoring, maintaining, and deploying the state-of-art software and infrastructure behind the technology of their products. They deploy and maintain network infrastructures, servers and data centers. They also participate in DevOps delivery and deployment teams on installations and develop product delivery and deployment contingency plans. In this role, duties range from the physical deployment of data center related technology to working closely with the various stakeholders, especially with DevOps developers, to ensure that availability, maintainability, monitorability, and analytics are embedded into the cores of products. Behind everything the client of your organization sees is the architecture built by DevOps Operations Engineers. And DevOps Operations Engineers are in charge of keeping these systems up and running. From developing and maintaining products and services to building the next generation of your platforms, DevOps Operations Engineers make product portfolio of their organization possible. DevOps Operations Engineers are proud to be engineers and love voiding warranties by taking things apart so they can rebuild them. They are always prepared to be on call to keep their systems and networks up and running, ensuring their clients have the best and fastest possible experience possible. And the next role we are covering is DevOps Quality Assurance Engineer, or so-called DevOps Test Engineer. DevOps Quality Assurance Engineers play a proactive role for the processing of unique selling points of their products, requirements, use cases, software architecture, and various other software design material to find out desired types of test cases to validate the quality of product under test. They work with DevOps developers and DevOps project managers to determine test implementation methodologies and tools to run and operate the testing work. DevOps Quality Assurance Engineers write list of test cases, creative test cases with strong break-it attitude. They also classify priorities and difficulty levels of their test cases. They create and review detailed documentation of test cases to make sure their test cases correctly perceived by the rest of their DevOps team. DevOps Quality Assurance Engineers continuously follow up and review test execution phases to ensure that implemented test cases realize their goals. They act as a self-confident and dependable subject matter experts to emphasize the objective and importance of their test cases. They raise and review defects. They make sure that there is no compromise from planned product features. Furthermore, DevOps quality assurance engineers nurture the entire DevOps team to review their test designs and process their feedbacks, to add additional creative test cases, and to reduce redundancies in their test designs. Last but not least, during a significant portion of their times, they automate, execute tests, and re-execute tests to validate bug fixes which are coming from software developers. The next role is also a very interesting role, which is called DevOps Information Security Engineer. Let's get started with it now. In traditional configurations of IT organizations, information security is largely an afterthought, unfortunately. It's yet another non-functional requirement that is often taken care when it is most difficult, expensive, and hectic to identify and fix problems. I'm sure you are familiar with this setup in case you delivered any project in an organization. DevOps information security engineers design the big picture security strategy of their organizations while laying out the details of an implementation plan. They understand the constant need to balance the benefits of incremental security measures with the potential burdens on the business. They proactively find and fix security problems in designs at early engineering stages of products and in running software systems. They monitor networks, software telemetry, and prioritize efforts based on risk. DevOps organizations have DevOps information security engineers working side by side with DevOps developers and DevOps operations engineers. They embed their recommendations and subject matter expertises much earlier on into software development and delivery process. DevOps information security engineers enable their organizations to build security into the product during its entire end-to-end delivery lifecycle. DevOps Release Manager. DevOps Release Managers work to address the management and coordination of product from development through production. Typically, they work on more of technical details and hurdles in which a traditional project managers cannot be involved. DevOps Release Managers oversee coordination, integration, and flow of development, testing, and deployment to support continuous delivery. They are focused not just on creating but also maintaining the end-to-end application delivery tool chain. DevOps Release Managers closely work with DevOps project managers and DevOps product owners to create product release roadmaps, release plans, identify dependencies, make them visible, ensure prioritization of dependent tasks by DevOps teams, support management of DevOps product backlog, stakeholder management, and communication. It's one of the most critical roles in the DevOps team, DevOps Release Managers. The next role that I want to discuss is DevOps Trainers. So like all other hyper-growth trends in IT industry, adaptation of DevOps methodology is also not immune to potential misunderstandings and misconceptions. Therefore, significant number of DevOps teams and companies make organizational, behavioral, and operational mistakes which negatively impact the performance of DevOps teams and their fit to the overall and usually not yet really agile organizations. Unfortunately, these inconsistencies sometimes end up with the abolishment of DevOps practices from organizations which hurt our DevOps industry and the supporters of DevOps like yourself and myself. DevOps trainers are talented DevOps supporters like you to ensure correct training and education of DevOps practices within organizations. DevOps trainers can be independent people from the development DevOps teams in an organization, and they can be directly sponsored by the executives to enable top to bottom organizational training of DevOps. Alternatively, DevOps trainers can be part of DevOps teams and work with executives to get the required support and to consistently train other parts of organizations to fit to the DevOps teams. If you would like to help your DevOps teams, business teams, and executive sponsors to properly learn and implement DevOps practices, it's highly suggested for you to be a DevOps trainer. DevOps trainers provide training services usually to their external clients to teach DevOps in an educational environment setup. DevOps coaches coach DevOps team members usually within their client organizations and make sure that they properly understand and operate with DevOps. They provide tips and tricks to the teams as DevOps teams do their work in the real work environment. This is maybe here in a parenthesis something I would like to exclusively cover is the difference between trainer and coach, because we have been receiving this question almost every day. And the question is this: what is the difference between DevOps trainer and DevOps coach? The difference, in a nutshell, is this: DevOps trainers are usually external parties that go to the organizations and then train the people in that organization, and also ideally certify them and then go to the next clients. So their mission is to teach them, usually give them the information, give them some ideas how they can get started, and move on to the next client and do the same thing again, teach another client. But DevOps coach is different. They are not only teaching, but they're also working together with the DevOps teams, and they monitor while the teams are in action and then give them tips and tricks and correct their ways and give them continuous recommendation. Therefore the organization adopt and implement DevOps without much hassle and burdens, and then they will be able to apply the best proven practices as quick as they can. So in summary, trainers train and then move on to the next client and then train them, but they do not do the real work. They do not monitor while the companies do the real work. In contrast, DevOps coaches work together with the clients side by side, from 9 to 5 or 9 to 9, whatever the working time of the organization is. And then along the way, they coach, they give feedback, they improve, and then they help the DevOps teams to sort out issues so they can properly and correctly and productively use DevOps in their organizations. And the next goal is, having talked so much about DevOps coach, let me also briefly summarize what DevOps coach is in general. So similar to DevOps trainers, DevOps coaches are also talented DevOps supporters like you to ensure correct understanding, penetration and adaptation of DevOps practices within organizations. DevOps coaches can be independent people from the DevOps teams in the organizations, and they can be directly sponsored by the executives to enable again top to bottom organization and cultural adaptation of DevOps. Alternatively, DevOps coaches can be part of DevOps teams and work with the executives to get the required support and to consistently evolve other parts of organizations to fit to the DevOps teams. If you would like to help your DevOps teams, business teams and executive sponsors to properly understand DevOps, adopt and implement DevOps practices, it's highly recommended for you to be a DevOps coach as well. So conclusion. So in this video, basically, I covered for you almost all roles, the most frequently used roles in a DevOps organization. Let's keep in mind that not every DevOps team in your organizations must have someone with each of these roles. Ensure your team focuses on significant theme and eliminate trivial many to achieve IT and business performance of your organization aims. And this basically includes the roles. You need to focus on the significant few roles which are most critical in your organization and eliminate everything else. You need to eliminate the trivial many which wouldn't help the bottom line of your success. And the best rule of thumb is your team should have roles and skills to enable best possible continuous DevOps flow. And DevOps flow is the subject of the videos that we are going to cover from the next video and onwards. So in the beginning of this video, I promised you, if you follow me until this moment, I am going to give you a very special offer, and it's time to do this. So let's get started. So, as you know, our DevOps certifications are industry's most modern and recognized DevOps certifications. And today we prepared a very special offer for you, which I'm 100% sure that it will be very interesting for you. And let me give you a brief idea what this offer is. So first of all, I would like to ask you a simple question. Do you want to get DevOps certifications which are official? Do you want to get DevOps certifications which are worldwide valid, industry recognized and approved by all employers? Do you want to get DevOps certifications which have world's most affordable fees? Do you want to get DevOps certifications which are lifetime valid without self-serving recurring renewals and subscription fees? Do you want to get DevOps certifications which are really fully online and require no mandatory classrooms? Do you want to get DevOps certifications which provide world-class student support praised by all of our students? Do you want to get DevOps certifications which have 100% money back guarantee? Do you want to get DevOps certifications which have exam pass guarantee? If you answer one or multiple of these questions yes, then you are in the correct place, because we are offering all these features for you. Official, worldwide valid, most affordable fee, lifetime valid without renewals, fully online, no mandatory classroom training, best class student support, the quality of our student support, 100% money back guarantee and exam pass guarantee. And today, our special one-time offer for you, the best discount for your 5 official DevOps certifications. And this discount is very special. Let me give you an idea what this is. So with your best discount for your 5 official DevOps certifications, 5 DevOps certifications of your own choice will cost all-inclusive $497. So you will immediately save hundreds of dollars. No hidden fees ever. Register today before the best discount we have ever offered goes offline. And to register this, you just go www.devops-certification.org/best. So I'm repeating again, www.devops-certification.org/best, all small letters. Then you can register 5 DevOps certifications of your own choice for only $497 and save hundreds of dollars immediately. And if you register now, you will also receive your DevOps video training for free, and the training material is worth of almost $500, $499. And if you also get lifetime access, and if you also register today, you will also get lifetime access to your DevOps training portal for free, and the retail value is almost $200, $199. And if you register again today, you will also get your lifetime membership of the Inner Circle for free, and the lifetime membership of Inner Circle is monthly cost $199. And what is Inner Circle? Inner Circle enables you to join our monthly live video conferences with me. And in these live sessions, you can get lifetime free consultancy about DevOps, Scrum, Agile Project Management, and everything else you want to discuss about software engineering. Entry fee for only one single consultancy session normally costs $199. But now you have a chance to become a lifetime member of the Inner Circle for free. And you will also receive your DevOps Revealed book for free, and the market value of this book is almost $50, so $49. So these official DevOps training and official DevOps certification programs are available on our web portal for higher prices. But right now you have this one chance. For only $497, you can get 5 official DevOps certifications of your own choice, and you immediately save hundreds of dollars. Plus you get 4 bonuses which are worth $446 for free. This one-time offer is only available right here, right now. We will take the offer page offline tomorrow, and it's gone forever. So don't miss your chance, my friend, to become a credible DevOps professional, faster than ever, without stress. With your best discount for your 5 official DevOps certifications, 5 DevOps certifications of your own choice will cost all-inclusive $497. So you will immediately save hundreds of dollars. No hidden fees ever. Register today before the best discount we have ever offered goes offline. Again, the registration works from www.devops-certification.org/best all in small letters. So here is a summary of this offer. So lifetime valid 5 official DevOps certifications of your own choice. The market value is more than $1,000. And free bonus number 1, lifetime membership of the Inner Circle. Monthly value is almost $200. Free bonus number 2, lifetime access to DevOps video training and all feature updates. Value is almost $500. Free bonus number 3, lifetime access to DevOps training portal and all feature updates. Its market value is almost $200. And free bonus number 4, lifetime access to DevOps revealed book and all feature updates. Its cost is almost $50. And the total value of this package is almost $2,000. So $1,999. But we are not going to charge you almost $2,000. You will get your full DevOps package for only $497. So www.devopscertification.org/best. So we are going to take on all the risk and give you our get 100% of your money back guarantee. We trust you will take benefits of your DevOps training and official DevOps certification so much that at any time if you decide your knowledge and certification haven't just performed a miracle on your career, transforming it into a fulfilling and elevating journey of your dreams, tell any of our staff, including even to myself if you like, and we'll give you a complete refund. If you aren't satisfied, we will not feel right keeping your money, so we make it easy to get a refund. And just to be clear, there are absolutely no strings attached, no forms to fill out, nothing to prove, and we promise we won't ask any questions. We won't even ask back the cancellation of your program. Just for the record, we have provided hundreds of thousands of these programs. Until now, we haven't received more than a few refund requests. We are going to give you everything you need to be successful and avoid mistakes on your own exciting DevOps journey. Now, please think and share with me, do you think if great DevOps software delivery skills can improve the work you and your organization perform? I am sure that the answer is yes. And here, without DevOps, this is how our life used to be, still is in many organizations. So look at this, it's a very fun caricature. And then the answer from the business people you get is, you give all of my features or I will ruin your life. So in case you want a better life quality, in case you want to enjoy your life, in case you want to serve your employers and clients in the best possible way, and instead of, getting threats from them, if you want to collaborate with them, then DevOps is one of your only single way to get started in your journey. And don't just take our word for it, take a look what others are saying. There are many basically testimonials on these pages, so I will skip some of them. On our webpage you can check all of our credentials and all of the companies we have been working together. Here is a very brief one. My Certified DevOps Coach certification was extremely important for my promotion to a new and improvement job title in Global TI. Due to this DevOps certification from DevOps Academy, I was able to get a new role in the organization. With all learnings of DevOps, I got more efficient at coaching and at understanding of DevOps training strategies that can take companies to the next level. Thanks to DevOps Academy, I am more proficient to get the job done. Another feedback. After getting my DevOps certification in product ownership from DevOps Academy, my career received a very important boost inside and outside of my company. Now I receive more important job offers for better positions, and my DevOps certification makes me eligible inside my company to participate in strategically more significant projects. I found the process leading up to my DevOps certification very well designed and student friendly. I can't think any better alternative than how International DevOps Academy helps its students. I am already taking the benefits and opportunities my DevOps Release Manager grants to me. Very well done, and keep up the great work. All this feedback and many more of them are on our webpage. We even don't update these pages because they are already full of credentials and the names of the companies we have been working together. But I can only recommend you to check to have an idea how the others benefit from our great training and certification programs, and how you can be the next DevOps professional, which will basically have a great career and help to your employers and clients. And here is another feedback from Teresa Bunnes. Great training, easy to understand, the best education provider I have ever seen so far. And here is a brief summary. This page is a very huge page on our web portal. You know, the names of the companies that we have been working together. You should have an eye. You should keep an eye on this. Although we don't update the page anymore, it's really full. But at least it will give you the magnitude of the success of your DevOps certification and training programs. And these are all the companies that hired people from, you know, who graduated from DevOps Certification Academy, and with their great certification programs, they could be able to find jobs in this major IT and IT consultancy companies, and also some other companies in other industries as well. And again, in the social media, you know, look at these credentials. You know, I'm simply, you know, walking through them. You know, there are, you know, each of them have, you know, more than 20 likes, and, you know, lots of you know, comments, you know, feedback, great feedback, and congratulations. As you see, people are proud of the certification programs, and they have very, you know, good, you know, they collect very good feedback. They resonate very well in the social media. Look at this, you know, 40, 50 likes, you know, 57 likes, 27 comments, you know, all this, you know, great feedback. People are collecting, you know, 73 likes, you know, one certification from Joyety got from us, and 50 comments. All of them are, you know, congratulations and cheerful comments, because people are really proud and people support each other to get these programs. And they are socially proven, industry proven. You can really proudly, you know, have these certification programs and put them in your resume. Here is another certification that I just stumbled by coincidence in social media. Wafi Mohtaseb got the certification, and you see more than 100 likes, 146 likes. It's unbelievable, you know, the unbelievable success story people are building with the certification programs. Imagine, you know, how much this certification program will help you in your career. So now, after having watched this training and offer, you have got two choices. Your choice number one is to do nothing. If you do nothing with the information you have learned over the last hour, what will you get? Obviously, the answer is nothing, because soon you will probably forget, or you will never ever have a chance to use this information. But if you commit to be a certified DevOps professional, then you will walk on choice 2, and choice 2 is to take action right now and continue learning and see how great DevOps software delivery skills empower your career. Again, a summary of our offer here: lifetime valid 5 official DevOps certification of your own choice. Its market value is more than $1,000. Lifetime membership of Inner Circle. So coaching calls with me every month. Normally we charge this for only one call, almost $200. But now you'll be able to join these monthly calls every month as long as you want, and you won't pay any dime for it. And bonus number 2, lifetime access to DevOps video training and all feature updates. Market value is $500. And bonus number 3, lifetime access to DevOps training portal and all feature updates. Its market value is almost $200. And free bonus number 4, lifetime access to DevOps revealed book and all feature updates. Market value is almost $50. And bonus number 5, I am just revealing this bonus at the moment. Want one call with the ones who register within the next 30 minutes after you watch this video. And the total value of this offer is almost $2,000, $1,991. But if you register now, you will get this offer for only $497. And this offer is only valid today with the ones who take the benefit of this great offer. In the next 30 minutes, I will schedule a one-to-one voice call, and you will get your full DevOps package for only $497. I'm again repeating the link: www.devops-certification.org/best, all in small letters. And I hope that you enjoyed this offer. Okay, having said so much, we are coming to the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed the offer, and I really hope that you will take the benefit for it. And I'm sure you will be enjoying quite a lot on your own exciting DevOps journey, and you will be basically enjoying one of our privileged students who basically took the benefit of these programs, and you will choose the choice 2. You will be an action taker, and then you will have a great chance to boost yourself in your career. And for now, I'm wishing you a great day. Take care, bye bye, and hopefully see you in our next video. Bye bye.